Now let's review Samsung new flagship phone, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's undeniably better than its last flagship phone. The Galaxy S20 Ultra is taking formula to an even higher level for 2020. This is also the first time that Samsung has used Ultra in the name of a flagship smartphone, and this model does live up to its name. The Galaxy S20 Ultra starts at $1,399 for 128GB model and goes up to $1,599 for the 512GB version. It is available in 3 colors, the Cosmic Black, Cosmic Gray, and Cloud White. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra stand out into its unique design. Despite the glossy back, the phone wasn't as much of a smudge magnet as one would have expected. The back curves around the edges leading to a better grip. Both the front and the back of the S20 Ultra are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, which makes for a sturdy package. While the left-hand edge is clean, the volume rocker and the power standby button is on the right-hand side. Also, it is IP68 dust water resistant for up to 1.5 meter submersion for 30 minutes underwater. S20 Ultra comes with a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, with maximum resolution of WQHD plus 3200 x 1440 pixels and supports a refresh rate of 60 Hz up to 120 Hz maximum. As for the battery, the S20 gets a 5000 mAh battery. It also supports up to 45 watts fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra is one of the fastest phones on the market. With 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB storage and 12GB or 16GB RAM, paired with Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 865 processor, you'll not want for anything while gaming, multitasking, or using the Ultra in your day-to-day. The highlight for the S20 Ultra has got to be its camera setup. It is pretty hard to miss after all. This is led by its 108-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel for the telephoto, 12-megapixel for the ultra-wide, 40-megapixel front camera, and a time-of-flight sensor for good measure. Samsung also offers 100x zoom on the device, which is the highlight of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. In general, S20 Ultra's camera setup is impressive. For the conclusions, Samsung's Galaxy S20 Ultra is almost everything you could ask for in a high-end smartphone. The camera system on the device is excellent. It packs in top-notch performance. But in its base price of $1,400, that is a lot of money. It'll always be hard to live up to that price tag, but Samsung is definitely trying to.